Hello, my name is Ruxana. I'm from Bangladesh. Diversity to me means celebrating different cultures.
Chúc mừng ngày đa dạng văn hóa. Hi, my name is Thung. I'm from Vietnam.
Hi, my name is Amy. I'm from Bulgaria, and to me, diversity means quality of being different.
Hello, my name is Ikhlas. I am from Syria. Happy Diversity Day.
Hello, my name is Alina. I'm from Romania, and for me, diversity means the art of thinking independently together.
Helo, Will Chris Jones dwi. Llywydd undeb myfyrwyr addysg uwch grŵp Llanrillon Menai. Wythnos dathlu amrywiaeth hapus.
Happy Diversity Day. I am Noura. I am from Syria.
Hello, my name is Huda. I'm from Syria. Diversity to me means allow us to enjoy food from different countries.
Hello, my name is Ahmed Al-Qadr. I'm from Syria. Diversity Day for me, it means loving each other, valuing each other, and respect each other. So happy Diversity Day for all students in College Menai. Bye.
Helo, fi ydi Terry, Llywydd Undeb y Myfyrwyr Coleg Museum Dwyfar. Wythnos dathlu amrywiaeth hapus.
Hello, my name is Eva. I'm from Poland. To me, Diversity Day means to know people from different countries. Happy Diversity Day.
Hi, my name is Atika. I'm from Syria. To me, diversity is accepting each other as we are.
Hello, my name is Majd. I am from Syria. My diversity is Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. وكل الحب والاحترام والتقدير لكم.